Please name and describe the most important special purpose livestock buildings in a typical dairy farm from the point of view of animal health management. Please describe the most important criteria for the design, the construction of the barn up close, and the calving and maternity area, and the fresh cows barn. So the most important special purpose buildings in the farm are the dry cow barn, which maintains the body conditioning score, the hoof trimming, the teat sealing, and the close-up barn. So 3 weeks before giving birth, it's for transitioning cows. And the calving and maternity barn, this is for a few days around birth, before and after. And the fresh cow barn is 3 weeks after giving birth. The close-up barn, the calving barn, and maternity barn, and fresh cow barn, the common features. So the maximum capacity has to be around 80%, and they have to have proper grouping to decrease hierarchy fights, as well as proper clean and dry bedding. This is to maximize comfort, and have a stress-free environment. Make sure it's quiet and not crowded, and have sufficient space. And make sure workers have proper access to cows for monitoring and giving drench. And for the special considerations, in the close-up barn, make sure the hygiene is extra clean, and have a gradual feed change for optimized dry matter and rumen adaptation, and to avoid a negative energy balance. The goals is to adapt the cow to an increased dry matter intake and adapt the rumen, and to ensure a proper body conditioning score. In the calving and maternity barn, it's also extremely important to have good hygiene and have lots of observation by skilled workers, and make sure they're milking 30 minutes after giving birth, and make sure the calf has colostrum intake. In the calving and maternity barn, there should be at least 10 meters squared per cow, and there should be 3 to 5 cows per group. The goals are to decrease stillbirths, deaths, and aborted calves. In the fresh cow barn, it should be extremely clean as well, because there's a seriously big chance of them getting mastitis. Separate the cows into first-time mothers and multiple mothers. This is to decrease hierarchy fights, and the goal is to maximize dry matter intake and to decrease metabolic diseases.